I've done the servicing and the meter lamp on this Maxcom 30E. These are crystal filtered sets, and a lot of people will sound off frequency because they are off frequency. So if you listen to them on a set like a Fidelity 1000, which is as wide as a barn door, all these people are off frequency, are using illegal sets which don't quite go onto the UK frequencies. They sound fine, but when you get them on something selective like this, then it shows up. So I don't know at this stage. The test gear says it's alright, but I don't know until I do an on-the-air test with Mr Chippie whether it is alright or whether it's got a Duff crystal filter, because I can't tell by listening to the people who are off frequency. So there we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger.
Are you plug your speaker in?
Yeah, just in the process of doing it.
Roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Now ready.
Roger that. Off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a bit of a tone control.
Roger that. So I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which I presume isn't being used.
No, is it raining?
No, it's dark.
Roger.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. We've got no river through the garden yet.
Roger.
Roger. Lancaster service station when it's closed.
Roger on now.
Speaking of closed, I hope Wilsford level crossing isn't yet.
Oh dear.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads, passing the road closed sign.
Roger.
I know it's supposed to be today, but I don't know what time at.
No, Roger. I mean, I don't know whether or not they did it earlier today or whether it's going to happen this evening. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's this evening. I couldn't quite make out the time. It may have said 2200 hours or something like that.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got to get to the top of the hill.
Roger. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
What's going loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford? Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I wonder
On a Maxcom 30E 1988. This is full 4-1 output and I'm on standard replacement mic over.
Yep.
all received, no problems. Another thing I will say is the audio seems a little bit low, or is it just you need to talk closer?
It was just set up right, so there you go, it's just different.
Yep, roger that. Right, yeah, it's permanently closed. Yeah, that's what I was going to suggest.
We'll carry on the edge, I think it'll be totally different if you still end up at the 5 mile point.
Yep, roger that.
And then you can come back Rossley way, and probably down Waterwell Lane.
Yeah, I'm not doing Waterwell Lane in the dark. It's it's a skinny enough lane as it is.
Definitely a Waterwell.
Right, we're just turning into Wilsford Village, over. Roger, didn't hear most of that. Went past a load of LED lights and there you were, gone. Right, just passing the plough in and turning up School Lane. Turning onto the unnamed road towards Kelby. Ah, now I'm out of the village, I can hear you again.
Yeah, it's good fun going these funny routes.
Well, it's certainly a bit different. I just hope they're not doing the other level crossings and they've got all 3 shut, otherwise we'll be snookered.
Oh yeah, because you won't be able to get down there, will you? You've got to go past Golf Course Street.
That's right. Isn't really any other way that takes us that way then. All you could do is go through Culverthorpe and end up on the A15.
Anyway, we'll take that as we come with. You're only going to be a couple of miles from that.
Just heading to we don't go into Kelby Village, we just go left onto Mr T's Street. Mr T's house. Roger that.
That's the white bit of the road to be careful of.
Yeah, it's not great. It's very pitted. It's quite spooky with the tree tunnel.
Yeah, well let me know when you get to the level crossing down there.
Unfortunately, I'm correct, and this level crossing is closed as well.
Right, that brings us to 4 miles, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know how many miles it is, but we can't go any further. And if this one's closed, then the one at Rosp is going to be closed. So even if I go through Culverthorpe and go to the end, I'm not going to be able to get back, am I?
No, okay, we've done 4 miles. So can you just do the low power bit there?
Yeah, roger that. I'll just turn around so I'm not blinding the work people. Going to move up the road a little bit, then whatever they're working on is putting a lot of QRM out. Just trying to tell a woman that she didn't stop. I thought she was I'm going to tell her it's closed, but she's going to go find out herself.
Good for her.
Tango 21 for Mr Chippie. We are not at the 5 mile point. So over to you.
Roger that. Well, you're not at the 5 mile point. You're kind of the 4 mile and a bit point. So here we are on full power doing 4 watts. The radio's working absolutely fine, no problems at all. So all the people who sounding garbled on receiving because they're on frequency on the individual radios. So here we go on low power. The radio at the moment is destroying just 929 milliamps to do 4 watts output. When it goes to low power, there we are on low power, now drawing 400 milliamps to do 400 milliwatts. So we go back to full power, there we are back on full power, over.
Well, that's strange. I noticed no difference between full power and low power.
Right, well, there you are, 920 milliamps, 399 milliamps, back to 900 milliamps. So there we are, we've drawn the current.
Roger. Well, it's so noisy here, I can't hear a difference, so there you go.
Anyway, the
Yeah, that's it. I'll say 10-10.
Okay, 10-10, thank you.
Well, that was a weird test, wasn't it? So we didn't do 6 miles, we did 4 miles. We've done the test at the end. But I want to be able to get the set back to the customer, so I was a bit a bit uneasy with the crystal filter. Was the crystal filter not right? But it is. So it's totally down to all the people who are off frequency in Nottingham, which I'm not surprised because they like to use illegal radios. So we will go over to our base station, see what that sounds like on that standard replacement mic, and then we'll go and see what it sounds like with the factory original mic.
Testing the Maxcom 30E into our Midland 76900 base station. Just pop it on low power. It is a hum test on full power, but it won't be humming because they're not like that. There we are on low power doing 400 milliwatts back to full power. Just going to swap mics now to the factory original. And testing the factory original mic. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Pop it on low power. There we're on low power.